Are you a loan officer who's tired of relying on unpredictable referrals from real estate agents who don't appreciate your hard work? Do you find yourself constantly grinding only to end up with a pipeline that's drier than the Sahara Desert? If you're nodding your head right now, then you're in the right place. And as a loan officer, you know that the key to success is having a consistent stream of qualified leads. It's time to stand out from the crowd and attract your dream clients by focusing on your ideal client avatar. When you try to be an expert at everything, you risk being seen as average at best. But when you focus on a specific niche, you become the go-to loan officer for that group. Now, this doesn't mean you'll only work with that niche. It simply means that you're positioning yourself as the expert who understands their unique needs and challenges better than anybody else. By doing that, you'll attract more of your ideal clients while still having the ability to serve a wide range of customers. When you focus on a specific group, amazing things happen. You start to build a reputation as the loan officer who just gets them. People in that niche will begin to seek you out because they know you understand their specific situation. And referrals start coming in from within that community because you have demonstrated your expertise. Best part, you can create offers that are tailored to their specific needs, making it a no-brainer for them to work with you. Now it's your turn to identify your ideal client avatar. Start by asking yourself, who do I want to serve? Think about the people you're most passionate about helping. Once you've identified your niche market, you want to dive deep into their world. Research their pain points, their dreams, and their challenges. Attend events, join online communities, and engage with them on social media. The more you understand your ideal client, the better equipped you'll be to create an offer that actually speaks directly to their needs. So what are some examples of niche targets and markets you could target? Think about a group of people who share common characteristics, needs, and challenges. Maybe you're a former teacher and you understand the pain points of what it's like being a teacher. You could focus on teachers who often face unique challenges when it comes to homeownership. Or you could specialize in serving veterans and military personnel who have specific needs and benefits. Maybe they're PCSing from another base, or maybe they're unfamiliar with their VA benefits and need to be educated. Healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses are another group that could benefit from your expertise. The key is to find a niche that resonates with you and aligns with your passion for helping others. Here's a list of examples of niches that you could serve that typically have good income, down payment, credit, and are able to buy a home, and you could get into their industries. And speaking of offers, if you want to learn more about how to create irresistible offers for your niche market, make sure to drop a comment 11 frameworks below, and I'll send you our full 11 direct-to-consumer frameworks to flood loan officers with closed loans that dives even deeper into this topic. Remember, focusing on a niche doesn't limit your business, it enhances it. By becoming the go-to loan officer for your ideal client avatar, you'll actually stand out from the competition, attracting more of your dream clients and building a thriving business. So identify your niche market, do your research, and then get ready to create an irresistible offer that will have your ideal clients eager to work with you. In a world where mortgages have become commoditized and every loan officer seems to be offering the same thing, how can you stand out and grow your business? The answer is simple: by creating an irresistible offer that your ideal client can't refuse. Let's face it, the mortgage industry is competitive, and every loan officer has access to similar programs, rates, and they promise to close on time. So how do you differentiate yourself? The key is to create an offer that goes beyond the status quo. An irresistible offer that speaks directly to your ideal client's needs, wants, and desires. Without a compelling offer, you risk being seen as just another commodity, and that makes it nearly impossible to grow your business. So what exactly is an irresistible offer? It's not just about having the lowest rates or the fastest closing times. It's about creating a new opportunity offer that addresses your niche's specific challenges and aspirations. It's an offer that makes your ideal clients feel seen, heard, and understood. It's an offer that demonstrates your expertise and your commitment to helping them achieve their homeownership dreams. Now, let's take a moment to understand the difference between an improvement offer and a new opportunity offer. Most loan officers focus on improvement offers, which are essentially marginal enhancements to their existing services. They might say things like, "We have the lowest rates in town," or "We close loans faster than anyone else." And while these claims may be true, they don't really set the loan officer apart from the competition. Every single other loan officer is making similar claims, and it's very hard for clients to differentiate between them. On the other hand, a new opportunity offer is something that completely changes the game. It's an offer that addresses the specific pain point or aspiration of your niche market and provides a unique solution that no one else is offering, and making it sound different than everybody else. It's not just an improvement on existing services, it's a game changer that makes your ideal clients sit up and take notice. Let's take a look at some examples of an irresistible offer tailored to a specific consumer niche. If you're targeting teachers, you could create a teacher appreciation package that may include a special down payment assistance program, a free appraisal, and a donation to their school for every closed loan. For military personnel, you could offer a Heroes Welcome Home program that provides a dedicated team to guide them through the home buying process, a closing cost credit, and a special recognition at closing. But what about real estate agents? They're a crucial part of the home buying process and can be a significant source of referrals for loan officers. So how can you create an irresistible offer for them? Here are a few ideas. You could offer agents a guarantee that they will receive an update on every loan in process every Monday by 12 p.m. This gives them peace of mind and shows that you're committed to keeping them informed. Or how about a lead follow-up guarantee? A guarantee that you will call every single lead that an agent refers to you a minimum of 7 times in the first 4 days. This shows that you're serious about converting their leads and helps build trust. What about an on-time closing guarantee? A guarantee that the loan will close on or before the contract date, or you'll pay $500 per day you're late to the sellers. This takes the pressure off the agent and shows that you stand behind your service. Or you can have a VIP program. Create a VIP program for top referring agents, offering perks like a dedicated team, priority processing, giving them a priority on any buyer referrals, and exclusive events. This makes them feel valued and encourages them to send more business your way. By creating an irresistible offer for both your niche market and real estate agents, you'll be able to differentiate yourself, attract more business, and build lasting relationships that will help your business thrive. Now, it's your turn to create an irresistible offer for your niche. Think outside the box. What are the unique challenges and aspirations of your ideal clients or your ideal referral partners? How can you address their pain points and make their home buying experience extraordinary or the referral process extraordinary? Don't be afraid to get creative and offer something that no one else in your market is offering. The more specific and tailored your offer is to your niche, the more irresistible it will become. By creating an irresistible offer, you differentiate yourself from the competition and attract more of your ideal clients. You become the loan officer who not only understands their needs, but also goes above and beyond to meet them. And when you do that, amazing things happen. Your clients become your biggest advocates, referring you to their friends and family. You build a reputation as the go-to loan officer for your niche, and your business grows exponentially. In a commoditized market, an irresistible offer is your secret weapon. It's what sets you apart from the competition and helps you attract more of your ideal clients. So don't settle for being just another loan officer. Create an offer that your niche can't refuse. Be the loan officer who understands their unique challenges and aspirations and who goes above and beyond to help them achieve their homeownership dreams. That's how you build a thriving business in today's market. In conclusion, identifying your ideal client avatar and creating an irresistible offer are two of the most powerful things you can do to differentiate yourself and grow your mortgage business. And by focusing on a specific niche and creating offers that speak directly to their unique needs and challenges, you'll be able to attract more of your ideal clients, ideal referral partners, build lasting relationships, and ultimately close more deals. Remember, these are just 2 of the 11 frameworks we cover in our 11 direct-to-consumer frameworks to flood loan officers with a closed loans guide. And if you want to learn more about the other 9 frameworks and take your business to the next level, be sure to drop a comment, 11 frameworks below. I'll send you the full document. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. So what's your biggest takeaway from this video? What niche markets are you planning to target, and what irresistible offers are you going to create for them? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.